Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Express easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in Adobe Express in the search bar. Click on the official Adobe Express website link. Once on the home page, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where registration options are available. Choose whether you want to sign up using your email or through a social media account. If you select email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and enter it in the password field. Read through Adobe's terms of use and privacy policy. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms. Now, click on the Create Account button. If you chose to sign up via a social media account, click the corresponding option. Follow the prompted instructions to connect your social media account. Once you have created your account, check your email for a confirmation link. Open the email from Adobe and click the confirmation link to verify your account. After verification, return to the Adobe Express website. Log in with your newly created credentials. At this point, you can start exploring the features of Adobe Express. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to create. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.